Are you struggling to install the PHPWord library using Composer? You're not alone. Many developers face this challenge, and today we're going to solve it together. I totally get how frustrating it can be when you're trying to set up a library and it just won't cooperate. It can feel like you're hitting a brick wall, especially when you have deadlines looming. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, I am trying to install the PHPWord library using Composer, but I can't install it. They even tried following the instructions on the GitHub page. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this. So, what could be going wrong? There are a few common issues that can prevent successful installation, such as incorrect Composer setup, missing dependencies, or even network issues. Don't worry, we'll tackle each of these together. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that can save you time on future installations. To begin installing the PHPWord library, the user should first ensure that Composer is installed on their system. Composer is a dependency manager for PHP. Next, the user should navigate to their project directory using the terminal. This is where they want to install the PHPWord library. Now, the user can install the PHPWord library by running a specific Composer command in the terminal. This command will download and install the library along with its dependencies. After the installation is complete, the user should check the vendor directory in their project. This directory contains the PHPWord library and its dependencies. Finally, the user can start using the PHPWord library in their PHP scripts. They should include the Composer autoload file to access the library's features. Fun fact, PHPWord is used by many big companies for document generation, so you're in good company by using it. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. To install the PHPWord library using Composer, run the command composer require phpoffice/phpword in your project's root directory. This will create a vendor folder along with composer.json and composer.lock files. Next, create a new file named index.php in the root folder. Copy and paste the basic usage sample code from the PHPWord GitHub page. Make sure to change require once bootstrap.php to require once vendor autoload.php. Finally, run your new file, and you should see a docx file created in your project's root folder. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. An alternative solution for installing the PHPWord library using Composer involves adding a dependency in your composer.json file. You simply need to include the line for PHPWord under the Require section. After updating your composer.json file, run the command composer.phar install in your console to complete the installation. Now, let's dive into a different answer from another user. An alternative approach to installing the PHPWord library involves downloading the latest version from the releases page. First, add the version to your Composer.json file, specifying the version number. Then, run the command to require the library using Composer. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always check your Composer version and ensure your internet connection is stable before starting an installation. This can save you a lot of headaches. And there you have it. You should now be able to install the PHPWord library successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and remember to share your experiences in the comments.